Today I'm going to talk about large numbers. We saw that the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago. What does this mean? Large numbers are common in this story, and so I'm going to talk about the numbers 1,000, million, billion, and some even larger numbers. So let's start with 1,000. If you were counting grains of sand, then 1,000 grains of sand would be the size of a sugar cube. We write 1,000 as 1 with 3 zeros. If you were counting seconds, then 1,000 seconds would be about 17 minutes. 1,000 people is about the population of a village. 1,000 millimeters is exactly 1 meter in length. The scientific name for 1,000 is kilo, and it is shortened to K with a small letter. So KYA means 1,000 years ago, and you will see this abbreviation later in the story. The scientific way of writing 1,000 is 10 with a small 3 at the top. 3 because there are 3 zeros. Now let's look at the number million. Again, if we were counting grains of sand, then 1 litre of milk or any other liquid would be able to hold 1,000,000 grains of sand. It would hold 1,000 sugar cubes and therefore 1,000,000 grains of sand. 1,000,000 is written as 1 with 6 noughts. If you were counting seconds, then 1,000,000, it would take you 12 days to count 1,000,000 seconds. There are 1,000,000 people in a large city, and there are 1,000,000 millimeters in a kilometre. The scientific word representing million is mega with a capital M. So MYA means million years ago, and we'll see that quite a lot in this story. The scientific way of writing a million is 10 to the power of 6, because there are 6 zeros. Now let's look at the number billion. If you were counting grains of sand, then you would need 1,000 litres to hold 1,000,000,000 grains of sand, and they would fill a small wardrobe. If you were counting seconds, then 1,000,000,000 seconds would take you 31 years to count. 1,000,000,000